Hey guys, what is up? It is Simone here. So today in this video, I wanted to show you guys how I do this very simple ponytail. Please watch the video thoroughly if you are gonna choose to watch, and let's go ahead and slay this ponytail. All right, my hair is not relaxed. I do want to tell you guys that before we get started. I also want to mention that if you do not like heat or you're not a fan of heat, please do not even watch this video. Just don't, because I am using heat in this video. For me to get a very slick ponytail, I have to use heat unless I'm going for a more natural ponytail look. But for the most part, I usually need to use a blow dryer and a flat iron. Alright guys, so now that my hair is all straightened and looks really good, okay, I really hate that I have to ruin it and put it in a ponytail, but that was the whole purpose of this video, so I'm gonna go ahead and just do that. I ran out of gotta be glue holding spray, so I'm gonna have to be a little creative here. Good thing I bought this brand new spray from the supermarket, Aldi's, when I went, and it's the Pantene. I really hope it does the job because I never used this before to lay a ponytail, so let's see. And if it does, this will probably be added to the products that you need to do a ponytail. So we're gonna just start off by doing a whole middle part. You want your part to be super straight, so spend time on doing that. An extremely helpful tip is if your hair is just not cooperating, which usually most of the times mine is not, use some edge control. I'm gonna use some from Lovely Bees and put that on the part, and that actually helps to get a nice crisp part. You don't have to put a lot, but you could put enough just to make sure the hair is nice and separated. Like, you know how you do it when you're getting box braids. And then if you have a skinny brush, this does wonders. So just go ahead or a hard brush and brush it into place. This way you can see if your part is like getting straight. These little like side peak areas, we're gonna go ahead and comb that out before you spray it and gel it down, because once you do, girl, you're screwed, okay? Mine's a short, so I usually gotta take out a lot. And if you don't like it, you could always, put it back after you get the desired ponytail. For me personally, I can't do a ponytail all in one sitting, all in one hand. I gotta do half and half and go from there, because if not, and my hair right here is short in the front, so that's usually the first challenge of trying to get everything to lay flat. I'm gonna brush my hair into one first. Now I'm putting it in one. And I'm gonna mold it as it's in one, okay? Take your hairspray now, and we're just gonna kill it. We're gonna kill it with hairspray, okay? And as I'm killing it, I'm gonna keep brushing it. I'm gonna hold it in place and blow dry it. Alright, and I'm holding it really tight, guys. Okay, and then we're gonna do the same thing to the other side. It's not all the way, so during this time, and then I'm gonna redo it nice and tight. Not too tight though, because you don't want a headache. Still not on fleek, still not smooth. We're gonna do that now, okay? So at this stage, I'm gonna go ahead and get my Lovely Bees Edge Control, which is the only one I use for ponytail, because it's the only one that actually holds my hair. And this is the time where I'm gonna start to fix up the front. Now this part, I'm gonna probably have to re-flat iron because I want it to look as nice and smooth and slick. I think about you. Whew, that is hot. Oh, I'm gonna burn my hand off. Okay, so while that's cooling, I'm gonna take my hairspray. And we gotta do the middle. Don't forget about the middle back here. You wanna do a lot though, but just do enough so that it looks nice and neat back there. And don't forget the naps, don't forget the kitchen. We're gonna do that ponytail over once more. Sorry guys, the lighting just changed because obviously the sun is behind the clouds, or however that goes. For this area, you want to go ahead and just tie it down so that it kind of starts to set itself and stay nice and snug. And I'm gonna tie it back there because I feel like when you tie it in the front, it leaves a line right there, and we don't really want that for right now. I'm gonna do it a little bit uncomfortably tight just so that it holds it down within a short period of time. All right, so I found a bundle in my hair stash. You can use any kind of hair, use your hair of choice. It could be straight or curly. And I'm just gonna comb it out a little because I don't want it to look like so like neat. And I'm gonna try to see if I can do this with one bundle. First things first is you have to braid your ponytail. And then use a scrunchie to kind of secure the braid. Next, you're gonna need some bendable hairpins. Do not use the hard, tough hairpins. You want the ones that, not that you could bend. So if you don't know how to do this, you just pretty much stick the pin into the end of the weft right here, and you stick it into the end of your braid, and you wrap it all the way around till you get to the top. Okay, I have super detailed videos on this, by the way, in case you're wondering. I like to fold the end of the hairpin up just to make sure it's secure, and then I'm just gonna wrap it tightly. This is the part that burns your arms really bad. And then you see, like, we're at the end. This is the last piece of the weft. Take that part and I just wrap it around the ponytail like I was doing the wefts. That kind of like locks it in so that I don't have to use any hairpins or anything. You're gonna want to take a little tiny piece, a small piece from the back, preferably underneath the ponytail. Like, don't take a little piece on top. I would turn around if I could, guys, but I can't because my camera and my computer is just a lot of contraction put together. And we're gonna wrap that around the base of the ponytail to kind of cover the wefts. What you also gonna need to do is you're gonna take some hairspray and you wanna drench it in hairspray so that it does not unravel over the days. Then brush it neat, because again, this is the finishing final touch. Brush that neat. So I thought I wanted to wear it curly. I think I want to do it more wavy. So I'm gonna try to flat iron it, not bone straight, but flat iron it like straight enough that it gives it a nice wave. Okay, so then to finish off the look, I'm gonna be using my argan oil of Morocco. And voila, we are done. So thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you guys really enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.